Hey warriors, welcome back to the channel. I watched my best friend destroy himself being the good guy. He gave everything, forgave everyone, sacrificed his peace for people who didn't even remember his name. 3 years later, I saw him again. He wasn't broken anymore. He was ruthless. And he told me something I'll never forget. He said, "The world didn't change. I did." I stopped being easy to break. That sentence stuck with me because deep down I realized it wasn't just his story, it was mine. And it's yours too. Right now there are two versions of you. Version 1, the one that explains, apologizes, tolerates, and keeps hoping people will change. You bend over backwards to be understood, respected, loved. But the more you give, the less they see your value. Then there's version 2, the silent one, the certain one, the one who doesn't argue, doesn't beg, doesn't chase. They just remove, without noise, without guilt. You've been living as version 1 for too long, and it's killing you. It's made you soft where you should be sharp, kind where you should be calculated. Machiavelli once wrote, "It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both." And he wasn't talking about cruelty. He was talking about control, about knowing when to stop being the person who breaks for others. Today, I'm going to show you how to awaken version 2, the ruthless version of you. The one Machiavelli wrote about, the one people sense but can never manipulate. There are 8 shifts that separate these two versions of you. Each one will demand a piece of your old self. Each one will feel like burning what used to define you. But if you stay until the end, you will walk away unrecognizable. You will stop seeking peace from others and start generating it from within. You will learn the power of being untouchable. Because this world will break you unless you become ruthless. And before we begin, I want you to drop this in the comments. I will not break again. Number 1. Stop giving yourself to the ungrateful. Your heart was never the problem. It was where you placed it. You poured your energy into people who fed on your light, but never fed you back. You believed your loyalty would earn their loyalty. But in the psychology of power, what is freely given is subconsciously devalued. They assume if you give easily, it's because you need to be liked, and the moment they sense that need, they control you. Weakness is born not from failure, but from emotional dependence disguised as kindness. Machiavelli said, "Men are quicker to offend one who is loved than one who is feared." The ungrateful exploit your goodness precisely because they do not fear losing it. That is not compassion. That is self-destruction. People remember pain, not mercy. They respect consequences, not explanations. Ruthlessness is not cruelty. It is correction. It is the moment you stop rewarding betrayal with access. When you pull back, they panic, because your absence hurts more than your presence ever did. Detachment is protection. Indifference is revenge. My kindness has limits. Number 2, turn pain into power. Pain is the most honest teacher you will ever encounter. It does not flatter you. It does not lie to you. It exposes you. The weak drown in pain because they keep searching for fairness. The ruthless rise from it because they understand pain is currency. You can spend it building yourself or waste it by begging the world to undo it. Machiavelli said, "Never waste the opportunity offered by a good crisis. Heartbreak, rejection, betrayal. These are not punishments, they are data. They show you where your power leaked. Most people cry to feel better. The strong reflect to get stronger. They do not chase closure, they create power. My pain builds power." Number 3, kill the need to be understood. The hunger to be understood is emotional slavery. You keep explaining yourself to people who are not listening to understand you. They are listening to categorize you, to find your soft spots. The more you explain, the more they know how to control you. The ruthless do not explain. they simply act. Machiavelli said, "Power does not justify itself, it simply exists." The most intimidating people are the ones who move in silence. No over-clarifying, no defense, no emotional leakage. Silence creates tension. Tension creates respect. My silence speaks power. Number 4, detach, don't beg. Begging for attention, love, or closure is how the powerful become slaves. The more you chase what disrespects you, the cheaper your value becomes. Detachment is not apathy. It is control. It is the ability to walk away from anything the second it threatens your self-respect. When you stop reacting, you become unreadable. When you become unreadable, you become feared. And when you are feared, you are finally safe. I choose peace over people. Number 5, boundaries are your armor. Without boundaries, you become an open field. The world does not honor openness, it exploits it. Every time you tolerate disrespect, every time you excuse the inexcusable, you train people to treat you as disposable. Boundaries are not walls, they are gates. They say, only the worthy may enter. Mercy without consequence is self-destruction. Forgiveness without distance is submission. The powerful do not argue about respect. They enforce it through silence and absence. My boundaries protect me. Number 6, master the art of silence. Silence is not weakness, it is control. In dark psychology, silence is pressure. It makes people project their guilt, expose their motives, and fear your next move. The loud demand respect, the silent command it. Machiavelli warned, never reveal your full mind. Predictability is vulnerability. When you say less, others reveal more. My silence controls chaos. Number 7, never show full loyalty. Loyalty is powerful only when it is earned. Blind loyalty is how kings are executed by those they trusted most. Your loyalty must always belong first to your purpose, never to people who can change tomorrow. Appear loyal, remain sovereign. My loyalty serves my mission, not emotion. Number 8, become untouchable. Untouchable is not cold, it is sovereign. It is the state in which no betrayal can shatter you, no rejection can define you, no manipulation can reach you. You no longer respond emotionally, you respond strategically. You no longer fear loss, you are the loss. Machiavelli said, "It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both, not to create terror, but to establish consequence." Untouchable is the state where they hesitate before crossing you, because they know there will be no second chance. Nothing can break me. I am not here to be liked. I am here to be unbreakable. I am untouchable now.